What is the relationship between the International Criminal Court and the UN? Breaking news in international law. The relationship between the International Criminal Court and the United Nations is a hot topic right now. Many are curious about how these two entities work together. If you want to understand their connection, you are in the right place. The International Criminal Court, located in The Hague, is an independent judicial body. It investigates and prosecutes individuals for serious international crimes. These include war crimes, crimes against humanity, genocide, and the crime of aggression. The court focuses on holding those in power accountable for their actions during conflicts. On the other hand, the United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security. It promotes human rights and coordinates responses to conflicts and humanitarian crises. The UN Security Council can refer cases to the International Criminal Court, even if the countries involved are not parties to the Rome Statute, which is the founding treaty of the court. This referral mechanism allows the United Nations to support the court's work in situations where international crimes threaten peace and security. Although the International Criminal Court operates independently, it relies on the cooperation of United Nations member states. The court does not have its own police force. It depends on states to enforce its arrest warrants and facilitate investigations. The United Nations supports the International Criminal Court by providing political backing and logistical assistance. Sometimes, it integrates the court's mandates into peacekeeping missions. This helps to protect civilians and uphold international humanitarian law during conflicts. Recent actions by the International Criminal Court, such as issuing arrest warrants against Taliban leaders for persecuting women and girls, are often backed by United Nations resolutions. This collaboration reinforces accountability mechanisms and enhances the protection of civilians during armed conflicts. In summary, the International Criminal Court and the United Nations work together to uphold international humanitarian law. The United Nations facilitates the court's work through referrals and political support. Meanwhile, the court prosecutes individuals responsible for serious violations, aligning with the United Nations' broader goals of peace and security.